I just saved $3,000 on car repairs by doing this simple checklist. Want to know how? Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. So today, let's talk about the regular car maintenance checklist. Let's get started. First up, oil changes. The lifeline of your engine. Think of engine oil like your car's morning coffee. Without it, things get grumpy fast. Most cars need an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but check your manual. Dirty oil equal engine wear equal expensive repairs. Don't skip this. Next, your tire check. Don't get flat tired. Check tire pressure monthly. Yes, even if your car doesn't yell at you with a TPM's light. And don't forget tread depth. If your tires are bolder than your Uncle Larry, it's time for new ones. The third checklist is the brake inspection. Listen for squealing or grinding noises. That's your car screaming for help. Check brake pads and fluid regularly. Your future self will thank you. The fourth checklist, battery health. No one likes a dead car. Picture this, you're late for work. You turn the key and click, dead battery. Avoid the drama by cleaning corrosion off terminals and testing battery life every 6 months. Pro tip, if your battery is older than your smartphone, replace it before it dies. The fifth checklist, fluid levels. Keep the lifeblood flowing. Your car runs on more than just gas. Check these regularly. Coolant prevents overheating, your engine's worst nightmare. Transmission fluid keeps gear shifts smooth. Brake fluid and power steering fluid, because turning and stopping should be easy. The sixth checklist, lights and wipers. See and be seen. Driving with bad wipers is like trying to see through a smudged windshield. Terrible. Replace them if they streak. And check headlights, taillights and turn signals. You don't want to be that driver with one brake light out. Finally, check the air filter. Let your engine breathe. This little guy filters out dirt before it chokes your engine. A clogged air filter hurts performance and gas mileage. Swap it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. It's cheap and easy. And there you have it, your regular car maintenance checklist. A little love now saves you big headaches and bills later. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.